catastrophe is inevitable. Not a matter of if, only when. And when darkness invades the spaces we cherish most. We are the light that drives it out. Doing whatever it takes when all else fails. We know the darkest hour comes just before the dawn. And in those moments, you can trust us to adapt to any project. Redefining dependability.